Percy was working in the coal mines. He was feeling bored and lonely, with only the silly trucks for company. Next morning, Percy puffed back to the coal mines. When he arrived, the trucks started teasing him.
Percy, green and small, he's no use to us at all. Around the yard he'll puff and blow, but on the hills he's oh so slow.
Be quiet!
What's the matter, Percy? Asked Bertie. Nothing exciting ever happens, that's the matter, sighed Percy. It's just coal, trucks, coal, trucks, bored. Excitement is surprising, observed Bertie. You never know when it'll happen. Otherwise, it wouldn't be exciting. Toodle peep. Hello, Percy. How are things? Asked Toby. Nothing exciting ever happens, that's the matter, sighed Percy. It's just coal, trucks, bored. Well, why not have a few fast spins on the turntable? You like that, said Toby. I think I just feel giddy. Cheer up, Percy. You'll soon know more about trucks than any other engine. That'll be exciting, called Toby. You're much too small to pull all of us. We want another engine or we'll be struggling up the hill all night. All night, all right, you can puff and blow. But on that hill, you're still too slow. Slow yourself. Temper. Too slow. More power. Here all night. Tomorrow too. Be quiet, said Percy angrily. Then there was trouble. A coupling broke. Look! Surprise! Catch us if you can! Oh, look! Cried Percy. It was too late.